Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to rename your Windows 10 PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, type in Settings, best result, should go back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the System tile, and then going all the way to the bottom, you want to select About. And then on the right side, there should be something that says your computer name. So you can just select rename this PC. Go ahead and type in whatever name you want and then just select next and follow through with the on-screen directions. You are allowed to use a combination of letters, hyphens, and numbers. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.